The 2025 Standard Bank Africa Unlocked Conference, the second annual business and economic forum hosted by Standard Bank under the compelling theme, Businesses Shaping Africa's Tomorrow. This influential gathering aimed to critically examine Africa's future, specifically addressing whether the continent will define its own agenda or continue to react to global influences.
I think a big issue that we all are determined to solve is an increase of intra-Africa trade. And one of the ways to measure that is what happens with people that are at a conference like this in another year. Will they have been trading more, buying and selling more goods to one another? And indeed, importantly, tourism. Cape Town is a beautiful city.
With trade wars and uncertainty still on the rise, participants ponder if Africa can make lemonade from these issues.
The current trade wars which were discussed today is a good opportunity. I think as a student of history, we shouldn't seek to reinvent anything. What the Chinese did, we can always replicate it to develop Africa for itself. Just like Nigeria is currently trying to develop its shipping infrastructure with the Cabotage Vessel Financing Fund, which Standard Bank via Stanbic is also one of the appointed PLIs to disburse vessel finances for Nigerian ship owners. We look forward to that disbursement before the end of the year under the directive of the Honorable Minister of Transportation.
Africa had a very difficult 2023 as a function of burgeoning inflation as well as high interest rates that accompanied that, and also the continent was starved of liquidity because, for instance, the Eurobond market was largely shut. 2024 was better, and we even saw growth surprising on the upside. Our sense is that over the near to medium term, continental-wide growth will continue to accelerate, and for a few reasons. The exogenous environment or the external environment doesn't appear to be as impeding as we initially thought.
All right, so today the program featured A-list panelists, the likes of JSE CEO Leila Fourier, Eskom CEO Dan Marukane, and African economist Wandile Shilobo, alongside Standard Bank's own economic leaders. Well, as day one draws to a close, the message is unmistakable. Africa Unlocked is rallying leaders to act now to fix institutions, further infrastructure, boost trade, and leverage digital sovereignty. Laddie Williams, reporting for Channels Television News, Cape Town.